Welcome to our channel Daily English. Improve your vocabulary. Body sounds. Sigh. Sigh. She sighed with relief when she saw her result. Yawn. Students were yawning in the class. Burp. Say excuse me when you burp. Groan. The wounded man groaned in pain. Whisper. He whispered in my ear. Whistle. Somewhere a train whistled. Hiccup. We recently had a patient who had hiccup for 4 days. Gargle. He gargled with salt water. Snap the fingers. 30 years in the life of the city is a snap of the finger. Sneeze. Use a handkerchief when you sneeze. Grinding. She grinds her teeth in her sleep. Snore. He snores like the family of dragon. Sniff. She sniffed the flowers. Gasp. She gasped in excitement when her boyfriend showed her a diamond ring. Farting. Some soldiers fart very easily and comfortably in the camps. Belch. In front of the other, can't belch. Blow. Don't blow on your soup. Scream. The crowd screamed with excitement. Cough. He was coughing and sneezing all day. Cracking the knuckles. He cracks his knuckles in the silence. Hum. She hummed a little song. Mumble. He mumbled goodbye and then left. Clap. The man danced and the women clapped. Crunch. He crunched the sheet of paper. If you liked the video, please subscribe and like it.